And now we have Team 8 coming on the field, called Gunmetal. This team is special because they only have 2 people. That's right, they took on this entire challenge in Maslab, for which we recommend a 3 to 4 person team with only 2 people. And they have done a hopefully fantastic job. We will see in a second. Is your program ready? Okay, they are setting the robot up in the designated start area, facing the rest of the field, and they're starting their program up. You should see it come up on backline soon. So, to help students be able to complete the Maslab challenge, as I mentioned, there are 2 weeks worth of lectures at the beginning of IAP. Most of these lectures are taught by the all-volunteer staff, which you can see arrayed behind me and throughout the room. And we give them lectures on such things as using sensors, electronics, doing mechanical tasks. There's a mechanical engineering lecture which helps them design the robots, and we also teach them principles such as PID controllers. PID controllers are a great way to make your robot behave in specific ways, such as you can tell it to go straight, and it will read its wheels and actually go
Timer.
straight. It appears they've started.
Ben, timer.
Okay, so Ben actually has the official timer, so we'll just have to remember to check over from that. Okay, so
yeah, so the robot's basic program is to wander the field, and every 15 seconds or so stop and take a look around. Easily confused, you can see. So,
does your robot use the camera and process pictures?
Yes, it uses the camera to find the balls as well as the goals. So, however, it's hard to take pictures while you're moving, so every 15 seconds or so it will stop and then spin around, taking pictures and find the ball and then go to it and grab it. So those are the things.
What is this? What is this information that you're printing out?
So this is the information there is what the robot's currently trying to do. The picture in the corner is an avatar of our computer and its current mental state.
So I noticed that the first team that went, they had a rather large, they had buttons arrayed around their robot to tell them when they crash into things. But it appears you have none of those. How are you detecting when you're crashing? Because I see your robot knows when it's crashed.
We use back EMF, so it basically detects when the motors are stalled, and if the motors are stalled, then it will back up and try and go a different direction.
So, in essence, your entire robot is one big bump sensor.
That is correct.
Okay, it appears to be stuck on a corner. Oh, let's make it out. So, what is your strategy for this competition?
Well, so we wander around, and every now and then we stop, and then we are only going for red balls right now. So we will stop, and if there's a red ball within view, we will drive to the red ball and collect it. Afterwards, if there are any balls within the robot, we will stop and drive towards the goal and hopefully unload balls there. It seems our collision detection is oversensitive right now, so we are detecting crashes far too frequently.
So, how does your robot collect balls?
There's not a gate in the front. There's a gate in the front of the robot that opens up, then the robot drives over the ball and then closes the gate on top.
have any, is it seeing these balls?
It's seeing them, but it's getting confused by the carpet as it's driving forward, thinking there's a collision, and therefore it's backing away from it. We had thought we solved the problem this morning very easily. We had tested on a hardwood floor, and that's probably the difference here.
How was designing and programming a complete robot with only 2 people?
With only 2 people, the arguments go a lot faster.
How true that is. So, what is it looks like your computer's happy, now angry, now happy. Does your computer have a name?
The computer is Shiroi Tan. Shiroi means white, and Tan is a suffix, diminutive suffix. It's running on top of the robot, which is named Chaikun.
So, you have 1 minute left. Does your robot's behavior change at all after when you have 1 minute remaining out of 5?
Nope.
It's very simple answer. Does your robot use the barcodes at all? We were talking about that earlier in the month.
We had initially been hoping to use barcodes, but we decided to focus on getting the balls instead, because if you don't get any balls, you don't score any points, so the barcodes would have been pointless.
So how many balls can your robot theoretically hold? It looks like there's a rather large corral beneath it.
We think 6. Possibly we could hold more safely. We actually didn't set an upper limit in the code because we didn't expect to collect that many. Seems like our predictions are coming true.
Okay, the official time has elapsed and the robot has stopped itself. Let's give Gunmetal a nice round of applause.
What's the definition of a forge?
Okay, so we are going to take a few seconds. We do not want the upper camera to die, and it's about to die, so we're running a cord to it right now. Bear with us for a second.